welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a long time since I have done a talking bit in this chair, so I'm gonna go get a flat ground session in because I cannot go to the park. It is soaking wet outside. Looks like it's gonna be raining for the rest of the day, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. Got me some new skate shoes. These are the SXLs. I think they're called the Everstitch. I could be wrong, but I've never skated a pair of S's, so I'm gonna try them out and see what I think. I like white shoes, so I feel like they're gonna do great. And that's about it. I just want to skate. I haven't got on my board in like 5 days, so I'm hoping I can land some cool tricks. I want to do at least like 5 kickflips. So let's go to this spot and let's get some tricks. Like 5 more. I literally just pop and pray, and I never know what they're gonna look like, so I know a lot of them are pretty ugly. Oh my god. Why do I keep landing? It's so weird. I don't even know how I'm landing some of these. One more, and I'm taking any of those. Shit. Time for some heel flips. That was pretty bad. Stiff and ugly, but that was so gross. Actually, that was probably the worst trick I've ever done. So bad, but I still might take it. I've landed that trick before. That was not the best I've done it, but do I care? No. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna film one more full cab and I'm done. 0 full cabs later. All right. I think it is time to call it a sesh. I cannot even see in here anymore.
Alright, back to the crib.
Alright, so it is now the next day. So I am a dumbass and I didn't bring another jacket when I went and skated yesterday, so I was freezing. So I didn't stay as long as I wanted to. I stayed until it got dark, but they do have lights at that spot, but I didn't want to wait for it because I was already freezing. So decided to call it a day. I already did kind of a lot of tricks, not really. I kind of just did the basics, but I haven't skated in a couple days, so cut myself a little bit of slack, I guess. But I just want to talk about these shoes that I brought on the sesh yesterday. I brought the box out so I can get the name correct. These are the SXL Plus Everstitch. Overall, this shoe skated really well. Once I got it broken in, I was able to get more of a feel for it because they did feel very foreign at first. But you know, honestly, after a couple tricks, once I got to like the switch 180s, they were feeling pretty good. So at first they were weird. The first couple ollies, nollies definitely felt weird, but you know, 10 minutes for a break-in, that's not bad. I've had shoes that have definitely felt weird for like 2 skate sessions, so having these break in that quick was definitely very nice. The only thing that I would say is that this toe definitely wore a lot more than I thought it would. I'm definitely a toe weak kick flipper, but these definitely caught a lot more than I thought. Like, I will have a hole in these in like 2 weeks, like max. Which I'm not that mad about because I got them on discount, so I'm not really taking an L here. Kind of just wanted to skate them because they're white. I looked at these shoes and knew that they would blow out on me. Like, this mesh toe versus me is not a good combo because I can already see like the seams are starting to break up to here. The moment it gets up here, it's done for, so that's alright. I got these for $45 when they retail for $100, so I'm not that mad. I just wanted them because they're white and they had a little strap on them, so that's pretty cool. But either in that, I want to try some more S shoes and see what they feel like, and kind of get more of a feel for them. So if I do, I'll do another review. But either than that, that is it for this video, and I hope you guys liked it. If you like my content, make sure you subscribe and leave me a like and comment. Have a good day, and I'll catch you later. Peace. I'm landing this, and then I go in home.